Ever dreamt of discovering places off the beaten path? Welcome to New Orleans, a city that dances to its own rhythm, a city where traditions run deep, and the spirit of celebration is as vibrant as its jazz music. This is a place where the past and the present coexist harmoniously, creating an atmosphere that's uniquely its own. New Orleans is not just a city, it's an experience. Every street corner, every Creole townhouse, every plate of jambalaya tells a story, a tale of resilience, of culture, of life itself. And while the French Quarter and its famed Bourbon Street are the heart and soul of this city, there's so much more to explore. Have you ever heard of the historic Voodoo Museum? Nestled in the heart of the city, this lesser-known gem offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of voodoo, a religion deeply woven into the fabric of Louisiana's history. Here you can learn about the powerful voodoo queens who once ruled New Orleans, or even buy your own gris-gris charm for protection and luck. And as the day turns into night, why not head to Lafitte's Blacksmith Shop Bar, hailed as America's oldest bar. This dimly lit tavern, steeped in history and mystery, transports you back to the 18th century, when it was believed to be a front for the infamous pirate Jean Lafitte's smuggling operation. Today it's a favorite among locals and visitors alike, serving up potent drinks and captivating tales in equal measure. New Orleans is a city that thrills and enchants, a city that invites you to lose yourself in its magic and mystique. It's a city that's always ready for a good time, where every day is a celebration and everyone is invited to join the party. As we say farewell to the captivating city of New Orleans, we set our sights on the horizon, to our next destination. Have you ever wondered what lies in the heart of Texas? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the Lone Star State's best-kept secrets. Let's start with Houston, the largest city in Texas, and the home to a unique offbeat attraction, the Art Car Museum. This isn't your average car museum, folks. The Art Car Museum, affectionately known as the Garage Mahal, showcases cars that have been transformed into works of art. These vehicles, adorned with everything from buttons to bottle caps, are a testament to the creativity and spirit of Houston. Talk about a road trip with a twist. Next, we journey to Austin, the capital city of Texas. Known for its vibrant music scene and tech industry, Austin also harbors a hidden gem that is as quirky as the city itself, the Cathedral of Junk. Built by a local resident in his backyard, this towering structure made entirely of discarded items is a marvel to behold. From old bicycles to kitchen utensils, each piece of junk adds to the charm and character of this unconventional cathedral. It's a testament to the saying, "One man's trash is another man's treasure." But these are just two of the countless hidden charms Texas has to offer. Each city, each town, each corner of this vast state has its own unique story to tell, its own gems waiting to be discovered. From the sparkling waters of the Gulf Coast to the rugged beauty of the West Texas desert, there's always something new to explore, something unexpected to stumble upon. And that, my friends, is the beauty of travel. It's not just about the destination, but also about the journey, about discovering new places, meeting new people, and making memories that last a lifetime. As we leave the Lone Star State behind, we continue our journey west, in search of more hidden treasures. So stay tuned as we uncover the secrets and surprises that await us on the open road. Ready to uncover the secrets of the Grand Canyon State? As we journey through Arizona, we dive deep into its hidden gems and lesser-known marvels that make this state a treasure trove for travelers. Let's start our journey in the spiritual heart of Arizona, Sedona. Here, nestled among the vibrant red rock buttes, you'll find the Chapel of the Holy Cross. This architectural wonder isn't just a place of worship, but an artistic marvel that merges seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Built directly into a butte, the chapel stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of human creativity and the breathtaking beauty of nature. Its panoramic windows offer a serene view of the surrounding landscape, making it a tranquil oasis for those seeking peace and inspiration. We move on from the serene beauty of Sedona to the grandeur of the Grand Canyon. But we're not just visiting the usual tourist spots. We're going off the beaten path to the Havasu Falls. This hidden oasis, located deep within the Havasupai Indian Reservation, is a sight to behold. The turquoise water cascading over the red rocks creates a stunning contrast that's nothing short of magical. It's a bit of a hike to get there, but the sight of the falls makes every step worth it. And it's not just about the destinations. The journey through Arizona is a spectacle in itself. The state's diverse landscapes, from its painted deserts to its verdant forests, offer a visual feast for the senses. The shifting hues of the sky at sunset, the silhouette of the cacti against the horizon, the hauntingly beautiful melodies of the desert at night. These are the moments that make a journey through Arizona unforgettable. So, as we leave the awe-inspiring sights of Arizona behind, let's carry with us the spirit of exploration, the appreciation for nature's beauty, and the memories of the breathtaking landscapes we've encountered. With that, we venture further west, toward the Golden State. Ever wanted to discover California beyond its famous cities and golden beaches? Let's take a detour from the well-trodden path to unearth the state's hidden treasures. Our journey begins in the heart of the desert, at Joshua Tree's Cholla Cactus Garden. Here, a sea of spiny succulents stretches as far as the eye can see, illuminated by the most mesmerizing sunsets you can imagine. The cacti, with their golden spines, create a spectacle that's nothing short of magical when they catch the dying light. An untouched marvel, this garden is a testament to the resilient beauty that thrives even in the harshest of environments. From the desert's arid allure, we head to the refreshing vineyards of Santa Barbara. This region, often overshadowed by its more famous counterpart, Napa Valley, boasts some of the most exquisite wines in the state. The vineyards here are nestled amidst rolling hills and offer a serene escape from the bustle of city life. With a glass of Pinot Noir in hand and the scent of the vineyards wafting in the air, you'll feel as though you've stepped into a world far removed from the typical Californian experience. As we travel north, we find ourselves in the vibrant heart of San Francisco, but rather than visiting the iconic Golden Gate Bridge or bustling Fisherman's Wharf, we explore the city's lesser-known neighborhoods. From the colorful murals of the Mission District to the tranquil Japanese tea garden in Golden Gate Park, San Francisco, is teeming with hidden gems that capture the city's unique spirit. Our journey through California shows us that there's so much more to this state than meets the eye. It's a place where beauty resides not just in its famous landmarks, but also in its hidden corners and unexpected places. As we conclude our journey in the city by the bay, we're left with a newfound appreciation for the hidden gems that lie in wait across the country. So, did our journey from New Orleans to San Francisco pique your curiosity? We've taken you on an enchanting ride across 4 extraordinary states, each with its own distinct charm and hidden gems. We've started our journey in the soulful city of New Orleans, Louisiana, where the magic of jazz and the allure of its rich culture captivated us. We've danced to the rhythm of the city, tasted the mouth-watering Creole cuisine, and reveled in the vibrant festivities that make New Orleans truly one of a kind. From there, we ventured into the heart of Texas, an expansive state filled with hidden charms. Its diverse landscapes, from the picturesque hill country to the stunning coastline, gave us countless opportunities for exploration and discovery. We've encountered its rich history, tasted its world-famous barbecue, and experienced the warmth of its people. Next, we unveiled the secrets of Arizona, a state that captivates with its breathtaking natural beauty. From the awe-inspiring Grand Canyon to the mystical Sedona, we've discovered places that truly make your spirit soar. We've experienced the thrill of adventure, the serenity of nature, and the rich tapestry of Native American culture. Then, our journey culminated in the Allure of California, a state that's as diverse as it is beautiful. From the glitz and glamour of Hollywood to the serene beauty of the Pacific coast, we've experienced the best of what California has to offer. We've surfed the waves, hiked the trails, and tasted the finest wines. This journey has been a testament to the thrill of discovery, the joy of exploration, and the magic that lies in the hidden corners of our world. But remember, this is just the beginning. There are countless more hidden gems waiting to be discovered, countless more stories waiting to be told. Now, it's your turn to share. What are some unusual places you've visited, or what do you love about travel? Drop a comment below and let's continue the journey together.